Alright guys, I'm going to just show you. We started over here. I've just done this joint here, which is this one here in the corner. We started down there, that point there. The next joint is that 90 there, then this is the next joint here, 100 more. And it goes all the way down. So I'll just show you on the drawings how it works. The highlighted is sewer, the green is stormwater. We are doing stormwater. That's the joint I just completed. Then we're going to that corner there. There's the pillar. There's the pillar here. We're going to do this joint now.